Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha Singh from NJ IT Solution, and today I'm thrilled to announce some game-changing updates in our latest Sangam CRM release. With our recent UI changes and some new features like list view optimization and shimmer effect will provide more engaging user experience. Then Auto Email Verify and Galabox widget integration will help you to manage your task as seamless as possible. Additionally, we are providing security by implementing Microsoft Security for inbound email in response to Microsoft discontinuation of basic authentication for server access. Without further ado, let's see what else do we have. First is list view optimization. The list view has now been enhanced with more user-friendly interface and with faster speed. Let's see how. This is the list view. As you can see, you can directly jump to first and last pages. Earlier, it is used to take more than 10 seconds to load the record, but now it takes around 3 seconds. This is a significant improvement as it will allow you to access your data much faster. Second is Galabox widget integration. From this release onwards, we have Galabox widget integration for phone numbers across list view, subpanel, global search and detail view. This feature has several benefits, but it is conditional. That means it will be allowed or appear only for users who are in allowed users section in admin WhatsApp setting when it is configured. If the condition is met, Galabox widget will be open. Otherwise, the standard WhatsApp chat box will be appear as before. Third is Autodesk integration. We have seamlessly integrated Autodesk with Sangam CRM. This will help to streamline workflows, customize user data and provide enhanced customer experiences. Let me brief about what Autodesk is. Autodesk is an industry-leading software company which provides it is known for its innovative designs and software solutions, which is widely used in various industries for different projects. We can find Autodesk integration or customization in admin section. This integration allows us to access crucial customer data, track product uses and improve collaboration. In simple terms, it's like combining two strong tools to work smarter and achieve greater success. Fourth is contract automation optimization. Now enjoy improved contract automation optimization with known bugs fixed and stability enhanced for seamless contract management. Fifth is Microsoft 365 inbound email. As said, Microsoft discontinuation of basic authentication prompted us to enhance security for inbound emails. So this feature is specifically for Microsoft users to ensure security. So this is what we have in this release, some exciting features with commitment to security. We are ready to make your CRM experience better than ever. Thank you.